So guys, Ford F-150 just came in. He had a MBRP system put on. Axle back, go ahead. Or cat back, sorry. That's what it sounds like. Go ahead. And he says it's just crazy too loud for him. It's the 5.0 F-150. It's way too loud for him. So we're gonna try to fix that. We're probably gonna have to swap the muffler. He says it's just droning too much with the MBRP system. So here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 111. Yeah, it's crazy loud. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to change it. All right, guys. 2025 Ford F-150 Whipple Supercharger that has 725 horses to the wheels, the rear wheels. One of many, hopefully, that will come to our shop in the coming months. So here you go. Factory converter there. Factory converter there. Why? We let you guys hear what the MBRP sounded like before, but we took it off because it was way too loud for him. He hated it. He said the drone was just ungodly. So we brought it back to almost the same setup as factory with more tone, just tone outside, but not a lot inside. The first thing we added was the Flowmaster Flow FX, part number 71416, right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And we also added a Borla ProXS muffler, part number 40358, right there. And then tailpipe 2.5, and then a dual tip out the back. I don't know if you guys can see because of the sun, but there it is. Clean, nice, nothing crazy. Just a nice, clean setup, as you guys can see right there. There it is. Flow FX, Borla ProXS, and 2.5-inch tailpipe, and dual tip out the back. And there's that old muffler that was on it, the MBRP. It's the race edition. He's going to take it back and give it back to them. He just bought it. So he's a lucky guy. He's enjoying it. He said it's a lot of fun. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Here we go, guys. First Whipple Supercharged F-150 in the shop for 2025. Go ahead. You can tell already it's a difference. That's idle, startup. Clean idle, right at 81. Go ahead. That better? So you know it has something in it, but nothing crazy, you know? Again? See how when you, the nice thing about Borla, when you step on it, that's when you hear it. But when it idles, like now it's idling down, you don't hear it. Stuck in traffic or whatever, you don't like, it's just constant, you know? Give it gas. That is clean. It's a nice combination with the Flow FX. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. I love that sound of the supercharger. Again. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. It's a beautiful shop. It's a nice deep idle to it. I'll show you guys under the hood in a minute too. Again. It's a sleeper too. You can't even see that it's got a supercharger. There's no mark. I like how it's a sleeper too. No markings whatsoever. You just get up. It flies. I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. There it is. Look at that, man. It's fully warranted from Ford. You can't beat that, guys. Go watch Cletus McFarland's wheel burnout on these trucks. Freaking awesome. That's what made him buy it. And he's a veteran, guys. We have really appreciate his service. We appreciate your service, brother. All right, here we go. Fully Whipple Supercharged F-150, 725 horsepower. And now it's nice and smooth. It's not raspy and throaty like with the MBRP. He flew Apache helicopters for 20 years, guys. He's like, I need more power. These cars didn't give me no power. He wanted that rush again, so that's what he got. I don't blame him. Holy crap. Yeah, that sucker flies. Wow, beast mode. Enjoy, guys.